Here's the rusted up old bumper. We're going to take all the brackets off and put it on the new bumper. Let's get in the garage. So here's the plan. We're going to go ahead and just cut these off because they're the stupid torque bits. There's 2 of those. And then we're going to get these off. We want to save those on both of those. And then we're going to try to take off these 2 down here. So I got them soaking in Croil. We're going to go ahead and get the cutoff wheel and knock off these Torx bits. Be right back. Alright, so next we're going to take these bumper bracket bolt nuts off and get them off. And then after that we'll do these final nuts back here that hold it on. Alright, let's try some fire. Alright, let me catch you guys up. So I ended up having to cut these. They were just too seized up. I fought with them with a torch and everything else for a while, and they just aren't coming off. So the plan of attack is to cut this bracket across here so I can access these bolts on the other side. Chop these off, pop them out. I'm going to go ahead and get this one done so I can get this cleaned up and hopefully painted tonight. So tomorrow I can install it in the bumper. So now we're going to pop these old nut clips off, and we'll start cleaning this up so we can paint it. All right, so I wrapped up the paint last night. Probably went fancier than I should have because it just goes inside the bumper and holds it on, but it's just a spray paint job. But overall, looks good. Keep it from rusting. Tomorrow I gotta get the bolts and we'll get it bolted in the new bumper shell and get it back on the truck. All right, we're gonna do a quick cleanup on this bracket so we can get it back on the truck. All right, guys, let me catch you up. I got the bracket all painted and we got it back in the new shell. I had to cut those bolts off, so I got grade 8 1/2 inch for these, which should be fine because I'm not using it to pull anything. I have a hitch, so. And I got 7/16 grade 5, I believe it is, just the basic bolts. And then down here I got 2 3/8, so I just put the biggest bolts that would fit. So let's get these brackets on and wrap this up. Okay, we got these ready to go back on as soon as it stops raining. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up here. It's not perfect, but it's a heck of a lot better than when we started. We got new taillights, painted the tailgate, took some of the dents out, new bumper shell, all mounted up. I still gotta put the trailer plug back on there, but not a big deal. Once it stops raining, I'll get under there and hook that back up. But overall, it looks a heck of a lot better than where we started. Thanks for watching, and we're gonna get the Jeep up here and start doing some projects on it. Catch you next time.